Philippines! Hello, entire universe!
Hello, mother.
So what's up, baby dragons?
What's up, your mom?
What's up your butt? Yes! Hi! Special guest for today, Kuya Ryan, Alicia. He's here with us. Ba't nandito ka?
Because you're a special child at lang.
Oh!
Hi, Ken!
Hi, Kent! Sumama din si Kent. Very good. Hi, Kent. Hi, uy. Hi, uy. Naingon mo, Kent.
Hi! Sa mukha kayo.
So, okay. Mind is blown. This is awesome. You know, it's been how many years since I was been back here? And right now, I'm back. I made a comeback, dudes. So, ito po, ang dami-dami po namin. Isa po kaming basan. Puno-puno po kami ng pagmamahal. Char. So, meron dalawang absent. Dalawa lang ba? Dalawa lang ba yung absent? Ha? Hindi na kasi ako masyado familiar. So, si Tito Jimmy o si Tito Gary. Flying baby dragon. Pwede ba ito mag-spin? Wala siyang spin. Alam mo yung bad ng campo. Wala siyang spinner. Yeah, so... As you can see, nag-sleeveless po ko. Okay, Agalon is not exactly the way it was before, sure. Happy to be back anyways. Saya-saya ng buhay. Yung aking mga tol, hindi ako pinapansin. Hi!
Hello.
Parang hindi energetic.
Hello. Energetic. This place is new. Yawas lang try.
Doon siguro
Yawas lang try pa rin.
Oh my gosh. Uy, Plong, Master Guide.
Master guide ba?
Slide for that.
Slide for that. Hi, Marty.
Saan naman nato
Marty girl. Dito to, dito to. Let's come here. All this way, guys. All this way. So, magpipili po kami ng cottage. Cottage! Teka! Smile! Dali! This is Clarky, guys. Clarky boy. Ha?
Naram this
Oh, garabi. Uy. Mamaya i-introduce ko yung mga dudes. Okay? Mamaya na. Kasi busy pa. Pipili pa ng cottage.
Gi-adapt na wildlife.
Hindi talaga manok. Ang barok na dito.
Barog day.
Hello, baby dragon. Uy, pagdali mo.
Hey, guysers! Let's all the way here. Let's all the way here. Hi, Bless! Hi! Si Blessaya, guys. The cute little bibs. Wow. So, dito tayo. Social. Open. Open so small. For a big family. Hi, honey girl. Hello.
Man, ay dakong hasad to pa. Pa-picture ko man.
Yes. For her, we're over there.